In an unprecedented move that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape of South Africa, the High Court has issued a direct order to President Cyril Ramaphosa, appear before Parliament in just 5 days, or face the legal consequences. The president, once hailed as the symbol of reform, now stands cornered by the judiciary. What is he hiding? And why has it come to this? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we bring you breaking news that could redefine the balance of power in South African politics. For the first time in the democratic era, a sitting president has been formally ordered by a court of law to appear in Parliament, and not just at his convenience, but within a tight 5-day window. The question on everyone's mind: what led to this judicial bombshell, and what are the stakes for Ramaphosa? It all began when growing calls for accountability clashed with what many critics call Ramaphosa's strategic silence. Over the past few months, the president has repeatedly evaded questions surrounding critical issues, from espionage allegations and questionable foreign ties, to the explosive Nkwanotsi files and his role in undisclosed financial dealings. Parliament has been demanding answers. The public has been demanding transparency. But the president's absence, his refusal to face the people's representatives, ignited a constitutional crisis no one could ignore. Civil society groups, opposition parties, and legal watchdogs filed a joint motion in the High Court, arguing that Ramaphosa was in breach of his constitutional duties. And the court, in a move both rare and forceful, agreed. The President of the Republic cannot claim immunity from accountability. The principle of separation of powers does not mean evasion of responsibility. This court hereby compels President Cyril Ramaphosa to present himself before Parliament within five calendar days of this ruling. But what's even more alarming? Sources inside Parliament suggest the sudden court order was prompted by growing fears that crucial state information was being withheld, and that delaying tactics were being used at the highest levels of government. Reactions have been swift. DA leader John Steenhuisen called it a victory for democracy. Julius Malema, never one to hold back, stated that Ramaphosa's arrogance has caught up with him. Even ANC veterans are reportedly shaken by how far things have escalated. Meanwhile, the presidency has yet to issue a formal statement. Will Ramaphosa comply peacefully, or will his legal team attempt to challenge the order? Either way, the clock is ticking. This is more than just a legal summons, it's a direct test of South Africa's democracy. If the president refuses to appear, he may face contempt charges, potentially triggering impeachment proceedings. If he complies, he'll be forced to answer uncomfortable, even dangerous, questions under oath, on live television, in front of the entire nation. And let's not forget, this all comes just months before the national elections. For Ramaphosa and the ANC, the political fallout could be devastating. So, what do you think? Is this the accountability moment South Africa has been waiting for? Will Ramaphosa face the music, or find a way out? Is this the beginning of the end for the ANC's dominance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this story is just getting started, and you won't want to miss what happens next.